All right, just got done swapping Super Duty front seats out of actually they were out of an Excursion, but it's the same as the 99 to 06 Super Duties. Put the front seats in the middle to make captain chairs. Had to build brackets for the front. The driver's side rears bolted up, and then the fronts didn't line up, so I had to redo brackets on that. And then the passenger side over here, passenger side rear bolted up over there, and I cut this bracket because this bracket was faced towards the center of the seat. I cut it, flipped it around, welded it back on, and then I did another bracket up here, same as the driver's side. I haven't wired up the seats yet. Just use a battery and jump them and move them. That's all the way back. And then when they go all the way forward, they go way far. And there's a pin actually. There's a pin up here that you can pull out, and it'll let it go farther forward if you really wanted it to, but it turned out pretty good.